Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 25th, and this is my analysis for gold. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video. And make sure you take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. Watch the video on my home screen to learn more. So, anyways, gold actually ended up drifting down pretty decent yesterday, or in the Asia session last night. I still think this first push down is a wave A, so I still think we're in a wave B, and I don't really think this is a complete wave B. It looks too small to be a complete wave B. More than likely, this is an A, and more than likely, this is actually the B of B, or the B of 2, I guess. It's definitely possible. And I think it's still more likely to make its way up to one of these much higher Fibonacci retracement levels, which is a Fibonacci retracement on this last push down, to probably finish off the ABC of B, or definitely is possible to be an ABC of 2. I mean, this first push down could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and then it just takes off for a big old giant wave 3. Or it's a wave a wave B, and then it goes down, makes a wave C, maybe down into this area, and then turns back up for the continuation of the uptrend. Either way, we should get a pretty good push down for either a wave 3 or a wave C, which basically, if you pay attention to your fib levels, you definitely should be able to tell the difference between a wave 3 and a wave C. But that's probably more likely going to happen next week. So as of now, we're probably more likely looking for a push up to finish off the wave C of B or the wave C of 2. So anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.